Hey friends, it's DJ Wolf Pup, and I'm actually here to show you guys a unboxing of my fursuit that I got from LemonBrat. I was really excited to get this. I went to pay for this around in April 2019, and I finally had a chance to get it today. Well, here it is. Okay, so let's begin then. Oh. Okay, frick, the border really made this strong. Finally, jeez. Some tape, strong tape. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. I guess we're starting with this thing, and it looks like it'll be my tail. Holy, that's huge. Oh, I didn't mind that. I'm gonna get the mask here. Alright, and this bag looks like it's my arm sleeves. So we have the full arm sleeve itself for my arms. Then the next bag we got my paws itself with the outside fixed bottom, so I'll be able to actually go outside in them and not have to worry about them ripping in that. And there's the other foot in there as well. And then we get the paws, the hand paws itself. Yeah, that's gonna be a new thing we have to figure out how to do itself, is putting this stuff on. I feel like eventually I'll get a hang of it though. So there's the one paw. It's bigger than my face, jeez. Nice and soft on the top too. And that's what this stuff is. And obviously the main piece of the head itself. There we go. So with LemonBrat, in a sense, I ended up getting the mouth itself. It'll actually have a blowing fan. I believe it's rechargeable because I see there's a cable in the box as well. So yeah, this is gonna be my first one, and we'll see how this is gonna go.